它讲
如果 B
B
series，B
C 的是全部白的哦。
这 board 也白咩？
对，这样了。
哦，只是这个跟这个不好咯。
嗯，
跟这边一般，所以我是黑色嘛。
对对对。然后旁边这个白。
哦，你那个白。
这样这个。
哦，这个是银色。
啊，然后它是上面有灯到 RGB 的。
这样我正好在 Shopee 订白色。它没有白啊，你什么白都没有。没有要不要？
要不要啊？
它的 AIO。这是 B50嘛？
啊，对
B50差不多了哦。这个是 X570，
对，
它价钱lebih kurang。This one or this one? Budget 啊，boss 哦。都 OK 啦，应该。This one
都 OK 了，我卖很多。
把它的 hose 这个白色，这个黑色哦，这个黑色 hose 哦。
可能你要买那个 slip 哦。
可以的哦。
买那个。
买 sleeve 装下去不了。
包。
布。This one。Ryzen 9. So I bought this color, not only white, because Gundam usually the themes is you got the red, yellow, blue and white. So we're gonna spray each of the RAM become all this color lah, different color. Okay, so let's try lah. We're gonna use a heat gun and then gonna heat it and then take out the cover. Oh, it's kind of hot. Oh. So it's almost done. Very easy only, very simple only. Okay, just cut out the sticker and then tear it off because later we want to spray it. I recommend you all don't tear out this sticker later, not nice lah. Okay, we just put some cellophane tape like this, masking tape, and then just cut it out like this. More easy. There you go. I've aligned all this. This is a power supply case at the back. So all of this gonna align. So now it's already done. Oh, white color, red color. Now we're gonna assemble it back, everything. Okay, let's go see the yellow color. Not bad, not bad.
wrong. Yes, correct. Correct.